guys, it's me Ashi, and today I am going to be reviewing some slimes. Two of them, grapefruit and blueberry punch. These are the two ones today. I might do two later. And school's already started, like today was my first day. Comment down below if your school started. Oh, this is the blueberry punch. I'll review that one later in a minute. Finish reviewing it. It feels really... And I might go to Dollar Tree or Michael's and go find some beads. Oh, this is how stretchy it is. It's a weird noise. It's really pretty. So this slime, I made it just regular. I got white glue. Not that fluffy. Or not that pokey, sorry guys. And comment down below what grade you guys are in. I'm in 7th grade. Just comment down below, guys. So we're gonna review the next slime. Sorry guys, my voice just got higher. Sorry, I'm trying to reach for something. Okay, so I know this one's a little overflowing. This one's kind of overflowing. So yeah, now we're gonna do the blueberry punch. 1 second, let me grab something. There it is. So here, oh god, this one's really sticky. This one's really sticky, guys. We might add this one. I don't know. This is how pretty it is. It's really glossy. It's very glossy. It's very glossy. It's really sticky, but. And so let me get my activator. Can't find it. No. Guys, it's like my brother's acting a little mean to me today, so he's not letting me film. What I might want to do is, because it's so elegant, I might make a slime with moss in it. I want to know if it makes it fluffy. The only other thing is kind of make it more stable, because this one was, excuse me, less stable. And let me grab my activator. 1 second, guys. 1 second. 1 second, let me find my. Let me see. Found it. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. Go follow me on Musical.ly. It'll be somewhere. It's not somewhere right here. Sorry. I'll put it down in the links below. It's really nice. Look at this, guys. It really feels good, and it's really less bright. This feels like I'm white. It was really quiet. Sorry guys, I'm not in the mood like I usually am. It's just I'm really tired today. Like school, I didn't wear this to school, guys. It's just when I get home, I usually change. This is a really nice